Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous videos, I had explained to you about the lesson number 1, the travel with books. So, after completing the lesson, today I will give you the exercise questions. Some questions and answer is there. You have to follow the videos and write down the answer in your textbook. So, let's get started. Take your pencil and eraser. Open page number 4, A1. Write whether the following statements are true or false. So in this main, children, you have to write the full spelling. True means TRUE, true. False means FALAC, false. You should not use T or F for true false or cross or right sign. So question number 1, Harish kept his book neat. I repeat once, Harish kept his books neat. This answer is false. Harish is not keeping his book neatly or correctly. Question number 2, Harish lost his math notebook. It is false because Harish lost his English notebook. Question number 3, the English test was on Monday. Yes, correct. This is true. Monday morning is English test. True. TRUE, true. 4, Harish's book was under the bed. No, false. Harish's book was on the shelf. Question number 5, we feel good when someone pulls our hand or leg. It is wrong. Means false. FALAC. We should not be good or happy when anyone pulls our hand or leg. Next, children, page number 5. A2. Tick the correct option in each sentence and understood from the text. Question number 1. Harish was a, two options are there, good or bad boy. Harish was a good boy. Mother was, question number 2, mother was always or sometimes angry with him. No, mother was always angry with him. Put the tick for always. Question number 3, Harish had many or one bad habits. Harish had one bad habit. More means, many means habits. Now one means one bad habit. 4, Harish did or did not mind being scolded by the teacher. Harish did not mind being scolded by the teacher. Number 5, Harish handled his books roughly because he was careful or careless. Harish handled his books roughly because he was careless. Put the tick for careless. So first one good, second one always, third one, fourth one did not, fifth one careless. Now children, turn the page number 6. Word corner number B. See here given some options, clue the words you have to write in that box with word meaning and opposite words. Both they had given here. Given in the table below is a list of words from the lesson. From the opposite below, choose words that have the same and opposite meanings. Write them in the correct parts of the table. The first one has done for you. One example they are given, first one. Remaining we have to do. So first I am telling word quickly, meaning first, opposite words slowly. They had already done. Second one, excited, meaning thrilled. Thrilled, thrilled. In box only that option word is there. You have to find out and write. Thrilled, thrilled, thrilled. Opposite word, bored, bored, bored. Next, neat, 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 meaning clean, clean, clean. Opposite word, dirty, dirty, dirty. So neat meaning clean, opposite word dirty. Next, complaining, meaning say you are unhappy about something. Opposite, praising, praising, praising. Next, single, 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 meaning single means one, opposite many. Next, cruel, 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 one. Sorry children, cruel, meaning unkind, unkind, unkind. Opposite, kind, kind, kind. Next, loss, 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 misplace, misplace, misplace. Opposite, find, find, find. Last one, remember, 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 meaning keep in mind. Opposite, forget, forget, forget. So children, this first I will finish to all exercise word. After I'll give you the question answer in my book, and you have to follow and write in your classwork. After that, first I will complete all books exercise word. Okay children, you have to slowly write these all answers in your textbook. Bye children.